Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't love chocolate? That sweet, melty piece of heaven that makes your brain go, life is good. But have you ever wondered, why does chocolate make us feel so happy? Well, spoiler alert, it's not magic, it's science. So, imagine you're eating a piece of chocolate. The moment it melts in your mouth, it's like pressing a happiness button in your brain. Why? Because chocolate is loaded with little mood-boosting chemicals. One of them is theobromine. Fancy name, huh? It gives you a mild energy boost, kinda like caffeine's chill cousin. But wait, here's the star of the show, serotonin. Chocolate helps your brain release more of this feel-good chemical. Serotonin is like your brain's personal cheerleader shouting, "You got this." That's why one bite can instantly make you feel calmer and happier. Oh, and here's the juicy part. Chocolate also triggers the release of endorphins, which are your body's natural, happy drugs. They work the same way as when you laugh really hard or run really fast. Basically, chocolate tricks your brain into giving you a little party inside your head. But the real MVP is phenylethylamine. Scientists call it the love drug because it gives you that warm, fuzzy, butterflies in your stomach feeling. Yep, the same feeling you get when you're crushing on someone. So yeah, chocolate is kinda like falling in love, but you don't risk rejection. And don't forget the sugar. Sugar in chocolate gives your body quick energy, which makes your brain light up like, yes, fuel acquired. That's why chocolate feels like the ultimate pick-me-up when you're tired or stressed. So, next time you're munching on a chocolate bar, remember this. It's not just a snack. It's a brain-hacking, mood-boosting, love-sparking science experiment wrapped in foil.